A very good evening to everyone. Now it's time. Let me check. Yeah, it's quarter past 6 o'clock, and I'm here for practice. Some minutes here, some minutes earlier, it rained here, but only for 5 minutes. Not less than 5 minutes, I can say, and it needed to be rained at least for an hour, then it could be better. Then the whole climate could be get better, get colder. But on terrace it's quite soothing. It's quite feeling relaxed. And see, after raining, my surroundings, how the uh, it's still partly clouded sky here, and but you can see behind my setting sun. It is going to set now. So, and trees and greeneries, how beautiful it looks. It's captivating, isn't it? So in this video, I uh, I am wondering about what should I talk about, because usually in this time I have started to storytelling, and I didn't get any uh, idea of storytelling. So I wanted to talk about, uh, let it be, I would try tomorrow to narrate something, to say something else. So it rained, and and it needed to be rained for an hour or 2 hours. Then it could be better, because it was so scorching here. And sometimes I uh, think that how could survive who lives in desert. I'm always confused, desert or desert. So I would check after uh, complete completing this recording. So how could people who live in desert like Rajasthan and Arab countries, and I think South Africa there are also uh, in South Africa there is no desert, but their summer is also scorching, unbearable. I think so. I even didn't go there, but uh, as I have heard for somewhere, so I know I don't like summers, and I like rainy season, but when I don't have go out, because I like rain, but I don't like the muddy road. And in fact, I'm I like some uh, winters, and especially in October to December, and February or March. And March I like only uh, January I don't like, because in January we get here so cold, then we cannot uh, live our life good way. And in January I also think how people they live in Siachen and Uttarakhand. Their summer is so quite disturbing. And so, but I like uh, mm, I like the summer, not summer, sorry, winter. And especially when I used to live in Delhi uh, in November, December, and there I found that people looking so stunning while uh, while wandering in any street or anywhere. They uh, used to dress up very in a good manner, a scarf, sometimes long coat, and that's why for in winter we have a lots of things we can we can use and wear, uh, and we can make ourselves groomed in winter. And in summer we even don't like wearing things. uh, Usually when I live at home and if there is nobody, feel, I like to wear only uh, a vest and my half pants, because for uh, heat, or you can say. And in winter I like to wear lots of things, I have a collection of mufflers, pullovers, jackets, blazers, and I like to wear that things. And really I like winter a lot, because whatever we eat we can digest easily. And in summer we don't feel like eating except ice cream and cold things. So this is the differences between winter and summer. Some person uh, summer is good, who lives in like uh, uh, like Uttarakhand and maybe Siachen. And for us who lives in North India, we like winter because we don't like summer, because we feel uh, feel some struggle to survive. So this way I try to complete my 10 minutes. And really when I return home today after having lunch, I uh, went to sleep. And when I got up, my mind was not working properly. I become sluggish, and that is the effect of now. So I'm not able to think properly, and it happens sometimes, even though it has been time to uh, waken up, wake me up, and I'm still feel some letharginess. So it happens, but somehow I have completed my daily routine tasks. So in this video I wanted to show you Even though you don't have say something, you can talk about your surroundings, you can talk about uh, anything, see, how your day went, how, what do you think right now, what is your mental condition, what is your planning. This way you can continue your journey. And this is uh, shows my real struggle, or you can say real practice. So it is not necessary every time you find content, a good content, you speak clearly. And if you don't find content, what should you do? You should stop? No, you should start something, you should say something. See, it has been 11 minutes and somehow I managed to speak at least 11 minutes. This is the sign of my consistency, this is the sign of moving forward. So you, I advise every learner, whoever want to, and who feel I don't have anything to say, they can say when they don't find any good content. And I have been practicing this for more than 5 months. So this way you can also continue your the journey and be consistent on your practice. So now I am going to wrap it up. This was my random talk, random spontaneous talk, and I am happy for I have done my job nicely. Thank you. Thank you for watching up to now so patiently. Thank you. And have a wonderful evening ahead, and good night.